Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is Insight on Business, the news hour. If you want to get in touch with us, ask our guest a question, or contact us about the show, we do use Twitter. We monitor Twitter before, during, and after each broadcast at IOB_NewsHour. That's at IOB_NewsHour. Welcome back to our friends from the Kreamer law firm. We're glad that you folks are here. Sam, what is a closely held company?
Like in America, nobody wants to be small. It's not a small business. It's a business that isn't currently publicly traded. When we think of closely held companies, we think of a company where the owner actually works there, where they have sales of between $500,000 and $5 million, that the number of employees are normally less than 50. It's a business that works. It's a business where the owner works there. It's oftentimes a family business. But the real distinction between a closely held business and a publicly held business is the number of owners and the size of the business itself.
Got it. I see. Brad, along with helping small companies grow, you also work with families on estate planning. What two things do most families want to know more about?
A will or a trust, things of that nature to help them manage their assets both now and into the future, and possibly or especially after their passing. Additionally, we help them with their durable powers of attorney to get people in place both financially and with regard to health care decisions right now in case something were to happen to those individuals that they couldn't make those decisions on.
And now, Sam and Brad, now with the holidays here, families are gathering together. It's probably a perfect time to be talking about estate planning. Is that right?
This is a good time to have those conversations, but these conversations have to be held somewhat delicately. Whenever you're talking about money, it certainly can create awkward issues around the table. However, it's important that everybody be on the same page. Additionally, it's very important to have designated somebody who could make a healthcare decision for you if you can't make one for yourself. So that is something that we would encourage people to talk about. As far as whether it should be a trust, as far as how much, Mike, right now we're in a giving season, and there are two things that we'd like to make sure that people think about. Number one is charitable giving. That too is part of an estate plan. And number two is don't wait till you're gone to give gifts to your children. There's a benefit of being able to see how a young person handles money. There's a benefit to seeing how young people react when these things occur to them. So we would recommend that our clients, to the extent appropriate, make gifts. And finally, Mike, one of the things we really encourage our clients to do is contemplate these 529 plans where you can put money away for education for children and grandchildren. We think that that's a gift that keeps on giving for the children and grandchildren.